Hello everybody, I'm Allie and welcome to today's video, and today we are going to do some basic groundwork, and this will be Brooke's third lesson. Okay, let's get started with groundwork, and we're going to get started by moving some body parts. So first of all, we're going to start with moving the head and the neck. So you're going to move back to your pocket, get all the way up there where you're right up next to the horse. If he moves, you move. Yes, he's figured this out really nicely. And just give him a pat and release. All right, so wait a second, let's go back and get one more actual where you ask him to give his head. So there we go. Yes, he's figured out this game quite well. We'll go to the other side, go back into the pocket, reach up, and remember, you want to put your hand up to where your hand would be if you're riding. So when you pull, yeah. So ready? Now go ahead and flex. So you still kept your hand down low. Kind of get your hand up a little higher. There you go. See how he tucked his nose right in? There we go. That's good. So that's how he would respond if you were in the saddle. Okay? All right, you want to do the forehand next? You ready for it? Okay, so remember the forehand, if you need to, right here is going to be your little pressure point. So if you need to, that's going to be. Now your right hand that's closest to the head is going to keep kind of up, and you're going to kind of push near his face. Your left hand right here can touch that pressure point, but don't keep your hand on him. Now you want to make sure your toes are pointed, so you're going to make a circle. Yeah, he knows you have cookies, but he doesn't get a cookie until afterwards. There you go. All right, so you look down and you start your motion. Get your hand on the other side of his face. So there you go. Kind of start pushing his face off a little bit, and we're going to look down and we're going to look for the crossover. So push the button just a little bit until you get across. Keep pushing. Oh, that's what I mean by you have to keep that hand up. Ready? And just push that button. Push the button. Now release. Good. You got a little bit of a cross. You don't get a cookie for just one step. All right, ready? And one more step, please. So push the button until you get a crossover. There, you got a cross. Now release. So that's that first real small step. So what you do on one side, you get to do on the other. Right. Good I could be. Okay. So ready? Keep your toes pointed, and let's ask. Increase pressure until you get across. Now, it wasn't really a cross. Let's get one more. Now that was a good cross, and release. Did you see why that was a much better cross? He wasn't moving forward, exactly. Come on, get. That's behind, that's behind, that's behind still. And that's a little bit better. Good. Let's do one more. Let's see if we can get 2 steps out of him, okay? So make sure you stay pointing with your toes pointing forward. Use that hand, kind of keep him from walking forward. Pull him back if you need to. Ready? And ask for the cross. Ask for the cross. That's good. One more step, one more step, one more step, one more step. Come on, one more step. That was better, and release. There you go. When you're learning and he's learning at the same time, it's a little bit more difficult, so we just do 1 step, and then gradually we're going to add 2 steps, 3 steps. Don't let him munch on you. There you go. All right, ask him to back up for me. Remember the back up. Point your toes the direction you want him to go, and there you go. Back. Now release. Release in between the step. Very good. And back. Very good. Anytime they do something and get a little mouthy, just ask them to back up. Okay? So that's another really good respect exercise. There you go. Okay. It is time to move the hindquarters. All right. So your toes are going to be pointed right here to the flank, and you're going to be stepping in that direction. So you want the inside foot here to kind of plant, and then you're going to cross over with the back. So keep your toes planted there, and if you need to use that pressure point, you can use that pressure point. All right. So look down, there you go, and look for that cross. Now let's ask for a few more steps. He can cross a whole lot more than just one. So there's a cross. Come on, that wasn't a cross. That was a cross. That was a cross. And that was a cross. Chin up, stand up, and release. And he should move right to the side. Very good. Now we do to the other side. Remember, you're going to tip his nose a little bit towards you. And let's ask. Now, watch what you're doing with that right hand. There you go. Now step forward. That's barely a cross. Come on. Add a little pressure. Add a little pressure. There's a better cross. Keep going. You got to keep walking forward. That was a better one. There. There. And good. Very nice. Thank you so much for joining me on today's video. And if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And remember, to see more, check out our playlist.